Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, March 13th. Looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and NQ. So, people have been following me, and certainly in my room, know I like to make analogies, saying the lion waiting in the grass, the wildebeest lining up at the border, not the border, at the river's edge. Well, here's another one. When you're driving and you see a sign that says construction next 20 miles, this is basically what we're talking about in terms of trading. Going to be a lot to work through, going to be a lot of chop. I know we have PPI coming out in the next 15, 20 minutes. But again, like I said, these are useless numbers come 9:30, right? Just take the overnight high and overnight low and deal with that. Right? All they did was spike it. We never got it in the ES. NQ, you never got the overnight high or the overnight low. So just uneducated traders and mindless machines that rip that stuff around at 8:30. But this is going to be a lot to navigate. Yes, we do have an afternoon pullback I use and a rally high just as reference points along with wide pox. So again, until we get acceptance either below the afternoon pullback or above the afternoon rally high, if we open up inside of here, it's pretty much a chop area which I wouldn't deal with, okay? Unless we're going for the overnight high. Let's put it in terms that, again, I keep things very simple, but it works for me. If we get acceptance below the afternoon pullback in ES and NQ, what does that mean? You're going to have lower value. And the odds of coming out of this day's low, which is basically an inside day for ES, are going to be good. And the Bears are going to continue what they've been doing. If, however, we get acceptance above the afternoon rally high, you're going to have higher value, or at least overlapping a higher value. And the odds of taking out the inside day in ES are very good. And in NQ. Now, again, if you're calling it a 2-day balance, then you would be up. If you're calling it a 3-day balance, like I am, including Monday, you'd still be in balance, but again, you'd have a chance. Monday is a price vacuum, basically up to the day's high, if we get acceptance above yesterday's value high, right? Same with NQ. Will they get acceptance into that upper distribution? Well, if we start trading with higher value, odds are we will. Pretty simple there, isn't it? Right? Everybody's going to be throwing every kind of number at you and things like that, but this profile is basically very clean what it's telling you. If we go back and forth between the afternoon pullback and the overnight high, afternoon rally high, then nothing's resolved and you're going to be inside of a chop zone, a huge chop zone. Pretty basic, okay? And we lead you through that for 6.5 hours a day when you're in the trading room. So I'm going to leave it there for now. As far as our chart, again, just a daily. Tomorrow we recap all three of these indices charts. SPY actually did have an inside day. ES barely did not. But again, for bulls to really make some noise, they need to take out Monday's high. And if the Bears want to continue, they need to take out Tuesday's low. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today. And we'll recap at 4 p.m.